Another one of those days. Today is going to look and feel very different. So let's talk about not the answer you were hoping for, but let me show you, because there are those that don't like that kind of weather, right? You want more typical January weather, and today it's going to feel cool. You're going to need the sweaters again. We are going to have some passing clouds, but the weather is going to stay dry. That's from a system that's up to our north. Unfortunately, it's not going to bring any rain in our direction. We need it. We're just not going to get it. The temperatures today are coming down, so we're saying goodbye to those 80s, some 70s, and even cooler through Saturday. Now, the weather as we look at next week, we have the potential for some strong winds, and you know what that means, considering our dry vegetation and the dry air in place. We could see that fire weather risk go up next week. Now this morning, it's really foggy at the coast. We've been checking in with our cameras out towards Long Beach and San Pedro. We cannot see a thing. And look at LAX, there's a goose egg there. So dense fog advisory along those coastal locations, but you notice inland visibility is doing A-OK. Now let's talk about those temperatures. This morning, because of that added cloud cover, it's not as cold, but you still need to bundle up. We've got 30s in the deserts, 40s and 50s everywhere else. And here's a look at the afternoon temperatures. We're going to have 70s away from the coast, mid 60s around Los Angeles, more typical for this time of year, 60s over in Orange County, 60s in the deserts and Big Bear, 58 degrees. Now let's look ahead to the weekend, because that system up to our north is kicking that cloud cover in our direction. We will have some sunshine this afternoon, and tomorrow we'll start off a little cloudy and then gradually get to the sunshine. But notice how the temperatures are looking cool. We've got 60s and 40s in the mountains. Sunday, back to the sunshine, and the temperatures will be warmer, especially away from the coast, with highs in the 70s and in the mountains 53 degrees. So here's what's happening. Here's the weather setup. Area of high pressure that brought us those 80s yesterday is moving away, and that system up to the north is increasing onshore flow for us and helping the numbers come down. That system will continue to move inland. That's why tomorrow it's going to be even cooler. But then Sunday through early next week, here comes high pressure, and it's going to cause this huge ridge in the jet stream. That means it's going to make it rise well above us, keeping that storm track well away. And unfortunately, the winds around this huge area of high pressure are going to be activated, especially Tuesday through Thursday. So that's when we could see potentially moderate to strong Santa Ana winds and an elevated fire risk. So we're still a few days away from that, but there is a chance to see some advisories, maybe even some warnings. We'll keep you posted. 7-day forecast does show temperatures coming down through tomorrow, clouds, Sunday a little sunnier, and then next week you see the dry and warmer weather with temperatures in the 70s. The forecast for the valleys and Inland Empire, a nice day, cloudier. Tomorrow, cooler. 70s through Sunday, and the next week you see those temperatures in the 70s with windy weather Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The high desert, you're going to feel the winds today if you're traveling through the Barstow Freeway. Tomorrow as well. The low desert, calmer conditions there. Temperatures this weekend look nice for Palm Springs in the 70s. And here's a forecast for the mountains where you've got 58 today, 48 tomorrow, and then next week. With those winds, we're going to have some cooler conditions, temperatures in the 40s through the middle of the week. Download the NBCLA app. The First Alert Weather Team will be providing updates through our app to keep you posted and to keep you safe. We're going to keep you safe on the roads as well. Here's an update on traffic.
Hey, that's what